Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the cool juggling or keep actions in Hearttopia. So right now Hearttopia has a new event that called Football Club event where you can collect lots of football team rewards, and one of them is these actions, these juggling actions like that. It's so cool. And to get it is very easy. First just go to the club icon and then just go to the football club banner and then just simply tap on go purchase, and then in here just use this basic KP API like this, and it costs 6,000 gold, so make sure you have enough gold to buy it, and then next just simply purchase it like this. And just like that, the actions will be added to your actions collections. Just tap on emote icon and then just tap on the actions, solo actions like this, and then just use the juggling actions like this, and it will look like this. It's so cool. Like this. Like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.